Up record over.
Audio is fun. दुकान
दिख रहा हूँ कि ठीक, अगर दिखना तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Yeah, you're good to go. बस मैं नॉइज़ ओके मोड शिफ्ट करता हूँ. उधर बैठ सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, क्रॉस करके इधर बैठ सकते हो. जस्ट कीप इट कैजुअल, कैमरे के अंदर नहीं देखना और बाकी जैसा है वैसा चले देना.
Camera one.
We can keep this here. People will know there is a shoot happening.
How are you doing, man?
I'm doing very good.
Nice to meet you. I made a conscious effort that I will not speak to you until and unless the shoot starts. Keep it to minimum conversations. I'm wondering if I should ask you about your day or how about your journey of how you got into music, or should we just introduce you with your music? How about you sing us one of your tracks and then let that set the tone for the rest of this thing?
That's a good start. I'd say, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's start with some music.
Let's listen to your
It was
first
a good
track.
day Anyway, so yeah.
Yeah, it was cloudy.
It was cloudy,
Yeah.
and I thought of this song, but this is mine. So I'll just start with that.
What's
I'd say.
it called?
It's called Meri Khushi, and it has a good story behind it, but it's a long story. But I'll just first perform it maybe,
Yeah.
and then let you know about
Whenever you're ready, we'd love to hear.
Alright, so here goes Meri Khushi. नया सा महसूस कुछ हो रहा है, धीरे से ये दिल तेरे पास आ रहा है ये बेखबर ना तेरे दिल का है पता, शायद इस कदर एहसास है ये हुआ जो मुझे ना मिली पहले कभी. तुम हो मेरी खुशी, पहले ना थी ये जिंदगी, तुमसे शुरू खत्म तुम पे ही. कुछ हंसी सा वो लम्हा था जब मिली थी तुझसे निगाह, वो रात भी थी अधूरी सी जिसमें मांगी थी ये दुआ. कह सकूं मैं अधूरी सी वो सारी बातें, क्योंकि कि सांसें भी थम सी जाती है तेरे आगे। आँखों में देखे अगर पाएगी चेहरा तेरा, लफ्जों से करना सही कर देंगी ये सब बयां जो मुझे ना मिली पहले कभी। तुम हो मेरी खुशी, पहले ना थी ये जिंदगी, तुमसे शुरू खत्म तुम पे ही। पानी से पहले खो ना दूं इस डर से ये मैं ना कहूँ रह जाए ना ये बातें अनकही जो मुझे ना मिली पहले कभी। तुम हो मेरी खुशी। That was मेरी खुशी. Why I actually remembered this song was कि ऐसा ही दिन था कुछ जब ये मैंने लिखा था. So if you want I can just let you know the whole story behind it.
I love to hear the whole story. And even when you were singing that song, the song reminds of the first love. Like एक पहली सी बारिश जो आती है, it's you like when the rain's starting.
Exactly.
And then the rain gets
The
deeper
feeling.
also. So how did you write this song? How did this song come to you?
Okay, so this was pretty personal story. I was out with someone and I loved her. I mean, so you know that feeling when you go out with someone and then you drive your car back to home. I mean, you drop her. और फिर जो feeling आती है, I mean, that feeling led me to this. I just started singing out of nowhere in the car. मतलब बस मैं गुनगुना रहा था. Yeah, I was just so excited. मतलब मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता था. But the twist is कि this song is about not being able to tell her. मतलब मुझे डर था कि वही मैं खो ना दूँ. द लिरिक्स सेज इट, मतलब पाने से पहले मैं खो ना दूँ. सो दैट वॉज ऑल्सो रनिंग इन माई माइंड. मैं पूरे रास्ते पर ये सोचता गया. आई वॉज गोइंग इन देन आई वेंट टू होम. बट द ओनली थिंग आई कैन कोप विथ एनी थिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज़ म्यूज़िक. तो वॉट आई डिड, जस्ट टुक आउट माई डायरी. आई जस्ट रोट द लिरिक्स आउट ऑफ इट. ये क्योंकि ट्यून मेरे दिमाग में रह गई थी. एंड फिर ऐसा हमेशा जो आर्टिस्ट के साथ होता है, बाथरूम में भी यही, नहाते वक्त यही, एवरीथिंग गोज इनटू प्लेसेस उस टाइम. तो दिस सॉन्ग ओरिजिनेटेड दैट वे.
So it happened within a duration of a single day.
Single day. I wrote the whole song in a day, in the night.
It's one night.
One
How
night.
long ago was this?
This was 2022 when I wrote the song, but I released this in 2023 January.
Okay. So 22 to 23. So it took 1 year to produce the entire track, and then you've put it out.
Not really. It got October. I wrote, I guess, October. So yeah, four months, 3 to 4 months it took, because I was so excited. I mean, this was my first song, और ये इतना I wanted to just let it out कि this was my first song and जल्दी हो गया.
And I do believe कि जो चीज़ें एक दिन में हो रही होती वो होती एक दिन में है, but it's a long time coming.
Exactly.
Those emotions, those feelings, they stay in you, and then like it's just that one day where it finds the escape and it finds the right form and it comes out in that.
Fully
So-
agreed. It was all the emotions, you know. वो हम पहले से ही दोस्त थे राइट, मतलब वो ऐसा नया कुछ नहीं था. इट वॉज रियली लॉन्ग फ्रेंडशिप. तो वो जो इमोशंस अंदर रहते हैं, दैट यू नो इट जस्ट टेक्स वन डे, यू नो.
It took that one day, but it was a long
Yes.
story before that. ये VIP रोड में हुआ है या न्यू रायपुर? Where are you coming
एग्जैक्टली ये सब वीआईपी रोड में क्यों होती है? एक्चुअली इट वाज वीआईपी रोड.
Yeah. 2020 2024 बोल रहे हो ना आप? 2020
2022.
2022.
Hmm.
I think VIP road was also very different back then.
Right.
वहाँ पे I think they had yellow, more warmer lights, and अब थोड़ा change हो गया है. It's 4 years so that.
Correct.
अब थोड़ा ज़्यादा it's gotten more louder. The more वो I think वो न्यू रायपुर की साइड अब थोड़ी शांति है.
हाँ.
पहले VIP रोड में मिल जाती थी.
आई गेस वहाँ पे भी शांति नहीं, मतलब मैं जाता हूँ तो देयर इज अ पॉन्ड राइट वहाँ पे.
न्यू रायपुर में?
न्यू रायपुर में
वो स्टेडियम के सामने
स्टेडियम
वाला?
के साइड वाला नहीं, दिस लाइक इंद्रावती भवन के लिए हम राइट मुड़ते हैं एंड देयर इज दिस पॉन्ड एंड देयर आर बेंचेस राइट देयर एंड वहाँ पे आप आई गेस बैठो, इट्स वेरी पीसफुल फॉर मी एटलीस्ट. तो या आई मीन लव स्टोरीज वहाँ बनती है
And,
ज़्यादा.
that also seems like a good spot where we can someday go and record something around sunset. That would-
डेफिनेटली. मेरा एक्चुअली मैं सच बताऊं आपको तो
Hmm.
दिस सॉन्ग मतलब नेवर हैव बीन पिक्चराइज्ड. मुझे ये वीडियो बनाना था एंड दैट वाज द प्लेस विच आई हैड इन माइंड कि मैं यहाँ पे ऐसा ड्रोन शूट करूँगा. दिस विल बी गोइंग विद द सॉन्ग.
So you've released this song just as an audio as of now?
Yes.
And what platforms is it on?
It's on all the platforms you listen to, or you listen songs on: Spotify, Amazon, Apple, YouTube, everywhere.
Lovely, lovely. I think I'll listen to it. Let's do a session of listening to that track. Did you produce that track as well?
Yes, I produced it, I wrote it, I composed it, everything. It's just solo.
You've added more instruments to it, or it's just a guitar?
I have added guitars क्योंकि like this is my main instrument. Actually, not my main instrument. Piano is my main instrument. I love playing piano, so that was the base of it. But then मैं इसको like I'm mostly sad song guy, you know. ये जो था this emotion was very new to me. तो मैं इसमें हर चीज़ डालना चाहता था. Like मतलब जो मेरा है आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू गिव इट ऑल. तो आई लव स्ट्रिंग्स. गिटार इज़ देयर, पियानो इज़ देयर, स्ट्रिंग्स आर देयर जो कि प्रोड्यूस्ड है. इट्स नॉट द रियल थिंग बट या एवरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट आई कुड आई वुड.
But you did it by yourself.
Yes,
And
all I did by myself.
Was this one of the first tracks, one of your first original tracks, or the other tracks have come before it, or?
No, there have been, मतलब मैं प्रोड्यूस आई गेस 2015 से कर रहा हूँ. There was FL Studio 12. आज
अच्छा, Fruity Loops.
राइट, फ्रूटी लूप्स. आज वो 2025 चल रहा है.
कौन सा साल बताया आपने?
2015.
2015. You were in school at that time?
Yes, I was in 12th only. मतलब
Okay.
तो I was just starting कि हाँ प्रोड्यूस कैसे करते हैं. So I produced a song which again I have in my you know
We'll be
we will-
hearing this
yeah,
today.
we'll be hearing that. So that was my first song. वो
Okay.
मैंने बहुत ही रॉ प्रोड्यूस किया था and it was very electronic उस टाइम पे. लेकिन now that I know music और now that I can add more expressions into it,
Yeah.
तो अब वो better हो सकता
I
है.
feel it also takes that much time to come to your taste in music. At the
Right.
time, we are at a certain age where we are just picking up tastes and exploring a lot, and then somewhere we find what is the right wavelength for what we are going through.
Yes.
And then we start like mastering that. So it started in 2015 for you. It's 2016, so more than a decade that you have been in this
more than a
journey.
decade. I've been in music like 20. मतलब मैं तो बचपन से मैं बोलूँगा. I would say कि my whole family from my mother's side is into music. तो I have been exposed to music since pretty long. मतलब since childhood. So that was in me. But then a thing pushed me further कि चलो ये discover करते हैं. So just like you said, right, कि explore करना, the things you take out of things, मतलब that took a long time. मतलब आज भी मैं बोलूँगा like I still discover things.
And I feel it's a noble pursuit also to have this in your life as something through which you grow and it grows with you. And I think we're just trying to at some point survive or like exist in this world, and these are just tools to help us be.
That
क्योंकि
word.
इतना strong emotion जैसे आप mention किए that day while driving in the car, you could have just called a friend, but वो बता नहीं पाते ना कि bro तुझे पता है scene क्या हुआ भाई, at the end I have to write.
वो भी हुआ होगा. I would say कि वो भी हुआ है. But that time, it's not at that time the same time, but yes, of course वो हुआ है.
But nothing like creating something out of just emotions flowing out of yourself. So at this point, should we hear the next track? What do you have in mind?
Yes, I mean, मैं पहले I would say I just introduce that कि मैं उस टाइम पे VH1 देखता चालू किया था just and then I got into English music ज़्यादा. तो उस टाइम पे मेरा आवाज़ ना वैसा ही था, थोड़ा सा दबा हुआ, थोड़ा सा English accent. The thing was कि I could never open my mouth and sing, and that's a problem actually. It's not a good thing, but here that's why this song is in English and written quite a while ago, 2015, so could be little rusty. But the line goes, here we are again. So here we are again, me loving you and you still playing with me. Giving everything I can, getting nowhere like I'm lost in the middle of the sea. Your eyes seem so beautiful, more than this ocean. But when you smile, it takes away my breath. What would it take to have your walls broken? I'll be waiting here till as long as it gets. Did I do something wrong? Or is it in your head? I go 2 steps behind when I take 1 step ahead. I took a straight fall, failed to love me back. But if you say I do it all over again, oh, do it all over again. Oh, I do it all over again. I do it all over again. When the sun gonna rise up, you are the one I wanna see it pictured in bed. But these nights don't end, I'm still alone and I might be dreaming. Distances never did matter to me. I'd run 1,000 miles for you if you need. Never believed in these people who say to me that if it's meant to be, it will be. I wanna prove them wrong, for that I need your hand. So let's write a story where there is no the end. And I swear if you fall, I'll be right here to get. For this time and next, I do it all over again. Do it all over again. Whoa, I do it all over again. No, I do it all over again. Oh, you've been a broken cross light, and I don't understand if I have to stop or I'm good to go. For that much skin, are we just friends, or there's more to hold for us to grow? I am not too strong, but I promise one thing: I'll hold on to you till you be with someone else. And when that someone breaks your heart instead, I'll be waiting here to do it all over again. Do it all over again. No, do it all over again. Whoa, I do it all over again. Whoa, do it all over again. Whoa, again and again and again. This had a very different emotion, what I had back in that time.
काफी hard था.
It
Had
was.
has a lot of heart in it. This is a 10-year-old song.
Yes, it is. Like seriously, the teenage
Yeah.
lyrics, the teenage heartbroken thing.
अब like at this point नहीं नहीं ठीक है नहीं.
तेरा घाटा.
At that time
मेरा
you
कुछ
had
नहीं
the capacity कि नहीं I'll do it again.
Yes,
At
yes.
this point कि ठीक है,
Ah.
okay fine. let's
Leave it, man.
onwards.
On to it, on to.
Damn. Hey, but I liked this space. मतलब it's as like it's at par with your Hindi vocals.
Yes.
And आपको call आ रहा है. You can pick it up. You can record that also.
No, that friend is,
Now in the words of Shinshan, welcome back.
I was more like hug maru kind of guy.
हंगामा पे आता था ना?
That was a Hindi version that we grew up with.
VH1
Yes,
Top 10
VH1
and
Top 10, and that was the show जहाँ पे I couldn't miss it.
Yeah.
Like because that was the show which introduced me to new music, good music.
that Top 10 was in some ways also keeping up with ki what's going on
Exactly.
globally. So
I didn't used to much listen to Michael Jackson because I always knew him as a dancer. Then very later in my life I came to know that he was a singer too. Actually he was a better singer
Yeah.
than many others, like very good. I mean,
But I think वो हमारे टाइम से पहले का भी था.
Yeah.
हमारे like in our times I think I was growing up with Ed Sheeran, Linkin Park and what Green Day उस समय बहुत ज़्यादा.
like one of my first songs was of Green Day, 21 Guns, if you know that.
I was gonna guess Bollywood of Broken Dreams क्योंकि
Wake Me Up When September Ends, Boulevard of Broken Dreams, 21 Guns. You know what? Us time again, like you said, there was no internet, right? What I used to do was listen to that song VH1 में जब भी आता था and used to write the lyrics जितने fast I could do.
You mentioned 21 Guns as one of your first songs. So was this the time when you had also started picking up guitar, or were you like starting to explore your vocal ranges? How was it around that time?
Guitar वाली तो it's very egoistical story, like it's based on ego, if you like to know the whole thing. What happened was, like I told, my main was always piano. I used to play keyboard since childhood, and my mother knows it, the keyboard, so she taught me, and I used to play that. But how the guitar started is something different. I was in my school assembly. There was this girl who used to play the guitar, I just asked her very nicely, can I just pick it up and just maybe take a feel out of it, how it sounds, how it gets to play. So she said, yeah, like in a sarcastic way, yeah, take it. I took it though. And I think Fix You also came at that time from Coldplay. So I was trying to, just figure out the notes of it. And then suddenly she said, आपसे ना हो पाएगा, मेरे को दोहराओ. This started my guitar journey. And what's I wouldn't say weird, it's surprising कि I never took lessons. मतलब इतना ego था कि I just went to YouTube. I bought my first guitar. I still have that guitar, and this is not my guitar. Why? Because that is the only guitar which I bought in 2014, and that has given me quite a lot out of it. तो और तब जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई कि मतलब मैं अब तो प्ले करूँगा ही. एंड विद इन 3 months I beat her in the skills, I would say.
Do you still have that guitar with you?
Yes,
like
I
at your
do
home?
have. Just because वो मेरे हाथ से गिर गया, very unfortunately, it just got a little bent here. तो I didn't bring that. तो इसलिए ये I just asked my friend, very good friend of mine, to lend me this guitar.
But you
And-
recorded that guitar on your tracks that you've put out
I still
there?
record it because it has a more brighter sound. मतलब that's what I'm saying. मतलब it has been a so good companion in my whole journey कि मतलब मुझे वो कमा के दिया है. The fame, the money, everything I am is what it gave me.
It's been with you since the beginning.
Yes, since the beginning.
Nice. So, I think at this point we can hear another one of your tracks, and the first one that we heard was something that you made in 2022. The last one that we heard was something that you made in 2015.
Yes.
So now, which year are we getting into?
This is, I guess, 23 only. 2023.
Okay.
This has again the heartbreaking story,
Oh.
and the same reason why I did the first song Meri Khushi was the antagonist in this.
So the
So-
story, the plot thickens.
Yes. So this is called दूर, क्योंकि again दूर जा रहा था मैं from someone. Again, this is a sad song. मैं तन्हा हूँ और हूँ लापता, मेरे साए भी है मुझसे ही जुदा. अब ये जश्न ही मनाए दिल मेरा, ना कल था और ना आज हूँ मैं तेरा. जिक्र मेरा नहीं तेरे दिल में कहीं, कैसे सोच लिया तू कभी थी मेरी. फिर भी दिल तुम पे ही है रुका, किस्मत से तुझे मांगता. अब हमारी वो बातें रही ना वही, दूर तुमसे मैं यूं जा रहा. वो आसमां और ज़मीन एक होते नहीं, बादलों की तरह हम भी रोते यहीं. रात जागे हुए कितने तारे गिने, टूटे तो एक कोई मांग लूं मैं तुम्हें. आज भी गूंजती है तेरी वो हंसी, जिस पे मैंने लुटा दी थी मेरी खुशी, फिर भी दिल तुम पे ही है रुका, किस्मत से तुझे मांगता। आहटे मेरी तुम भी सुन लो कभी, दूर तुमसे मैं यूं जा रहा। दर्द से थी मेरी अरसों से दोस्ती, फिर भी क्यों सह सका ना मैं तेरी कमी। घर की मेरी कहीं अब दीवार नहीं, सिर्फ तेरी पनाहों की मांगी जमीन। दिख गया तेरी बातों में आँखों में भी कोई और ही है, कोई और ही सही। फिर भी दिल तुम पे ही है रुका, किस्मत से तुझे मांगता। हाथ की अब लकीरें भी देती यकीन, दूर तुमसे मैं यूं जा रहा, दूर तुमसे मैं यूं जा रहा। This was दूर.
So then what happened?
दूर चला गया. The thing I said, you know, बातें हमारी अब बातें वैसी रही नहीं. So things always fade away. मतलब what starts always ends. This also ended, which I didn't want to. And again, though the first song, which the previous song, All Over Again, now that comes into picture, you know, I still would do it all over again.
Yeah, that is something. Is there another one in the line with this one?
I didn't want to end up in a sad note. So what happened was, ये आपको कहानी बताई मैंने, right? This story had a very sad end, of course, but just like we said in middle of somewhere, कि on to will be always going forward, you know, and we have to forget these things. So what I did was to get a closure out of it, बोल सकते हैं. The first song of mine, मेरी खुशी, which I sang, right, that was कि when I couldn't convey my feelings, right. Now this song what I wrote is कि चलो मान लेते हैं कि हमें मिल गई. This is a dream song now. I just converted that song into a different perspective कि अब वो मुझे मिल चुकी है. Like what I'll be with someone who I so am into love with, or so that had me wrote this lyrics of the same song called मेरी खुशी, which I can, you know, अभी play करना?
Yeah, you can. Let's go for it.
All right. जैसे रहता है कोई खुदा, बारिशें ही थी थी हर तरफ अब खुला है ये आसमां, चल पड़ूं मैं जहाँ तू चले ओ सारी राह पे, तकदीर भी बदल जाती है ये तेरे साथ में। हाथों में अपने अगर थाम ले जो हाथ मेरा, मुस्कुराएगी जिंदगी, गाएगी नाम तेरा, जो मुझे ना मिली पहले कभी। तुम हो मेरी खुशी, पहले ना थी ये जिंदगी, तुमसे शुरू खत्म तुम पे ही। ओ, बाहों में तेरे मैं रहूं और वक्त से मैं ये कहूँ थम जाए हाँ ये यही, जो मुझे ना मिली पहले कभी। तुम हो मेरी खुशी। This was the Meri Khushi version 2.
Take 3, roll 3.
Oh, you also roll camera. Mother's camera. The camera which is rolling. Yeah, it's rolling. Roll 3, mother's camera. Thank you for
Yay!
the invitation.
That's the dream.
It's got a nice groove. Like I don't know, nice melody. Melody is
Thank
what
you.
you call it.
Yes, groove melody.
तो ब्रो फिर एल्बम कब आ रहा है?
Album soon. I mean, actually, you know, मतलब कितने सारे I have ideas, I have everything. I would say कि there's a different side of me in music only, कि I write scores. तो मैं पहले ऐसा सोच रहा हूँ कि that album would be coming first, then my actually lyrical album. So that's a surprise for everyone because I guess nobody knows me in that way.
So that would be Pranjal as a producer. You are producing
Yes.
and creating
Composer.
space.
Yes.
But you've got such a nice voice. You've got good stuff with you, and as I understand, you have 3 original compositions,
Yes.
tracks with you right now.
Yes.
That's good enough for a what do you call it? EP.
Nah, I mean not EP, but yeah, वो भी 3 songs, you know, I have to combine with the, मतलब मेरा ऐसा idea रहता है कि the whole thing should make some sense. मतलब I was very inspired by Justin Bieber's album, James Arthur, you know,
Bieber का कौन सा album?
especially Purpose.
Purpose.
Yes, especially Purpose.
Yeah.
But I've been listening to him like since the beginning. Again,
Same,
VH1
same. Bieber.
introduced-
I'm also a Bieber fan.
Yes.
Jamie
Thank
Ross.
you. So I was कि मतलब ऐसा album बनाना है. This is the album like I want to make because every song is actually making some sense, making a story, you know. So that I want to build up. Or again, the second name was James Arthur. I don't know. He's very underrated it seems, but Spotify में I guess 190th कुछ उसका ranking है. But in India I guess he's very underrated. He has a brilliant voice. Like I love him, and the album he releases are very close to perfect for me at least. So that's the aim which I'm putting right now. तो जब तक वो नहीं होता I probably won't. And I have मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि this it's not in progress or something. I don't have anything. Like you said, the 4 songs are there. उसको थोड़ा refine करना है. there are many more compositions which I already have it, but they are not, you know, the lyrics are not there in those. So my system is कि मैं पहले वही गुनगुनाना चालू कर देता हूँ. The tune comes to my mind first and then the lyrics come. क्योंकि I always go with the feeling, and for me feeling gives birth to the tune which I want. Because you know in music मतलब there are minor and major chords if I go into technical stuff.
You can, which you can.
Okay, तो मतलब minor मतलब you know, so मतलब first song if you heard, you know, it was a hopeful mood, मतलब कि हाँ कि मेरे को बताना है उसको. So this is called a major chord. तो इसमें मेरे को it's a happier version of music, and there are minor chords which you know थोड़ा सा sad, थोड़ा सा melancholic वगैरह, you can describe it. So the other two songs were minor songs क्योंकि they were sad. They're meant to be played in a minor song. It has a दर्द into it. So that comes मतलब कि whenever I hit an emotion in the very peak, that time I just take out my guitar. फिर वो जो इमोशन हिट करता है, द वेरी फर्स्ट इमोशन, यू नो, वो सिर्फ इसी से डिसाइड होता है कि इज इट अ माइनर और इज इट अ मेजर कॉर्ड, एंड देन द होल थिंग गोज इनटू प्रोडक्शन. फिर देन द लिरिक्स कम इनटू पिक्चर कि हाँ अब मैं सोच क्या रहा था उस टाइम, व्हाट वाज आई थिंकिंग, अबाउट whom I was thinking, about what I was thinking. I set a scene and then write a lyric. That's my process.
Really looking forward to you creating like a longer experience for us, because every time like वो तो मेरा था कि एल्बम बनाओ करके मैं बहुत सबके पीछे पड़ जाता हूँ, एल्बम बनाओ, because as a listener I like now that I like an artist, now that I like what they are doing, I would like to spend a good portion of my time in that, and not just you know for 5-2 minutes के लिए वो एक emotion experience किया. And the greatest albums are those which take you on a journey and then like they land somewhere. It's like watching a movie or going through something.
Yes.
Within an hour you go through something, and otherwise it feels incomplete. Okay, I got a glimpse of this artist, but who is this person is really, that gets revealed in the albums. And even like for Justin Bieber for that matter, like when you listen to those albums you realize कि no, he's not all that just party और ये वो type की चीज़ें. Those albums, they have these moments where like उसका जो नया album है, so there are moments where like it's just some tracks which are conversation. There is one track which is a demo. I think he recorded it on his phone and just put it in his album. So you kind of get, and I think that's what we all are doing as creators, putting our lives out there. It's not, it's one of the most, I think, courageous things to do, to just be vulnerable and like put out there.
Definitely yes. And just like I said, मतलब अभी not many Indian artists you know release their albums, क्योंकि सब mostly there are films जिसमें गाने बनते हैं, जिसके लिए गाने बनते हैं.
I feel it comes to a very production thing कि यार album बनाना है, बहुत time लगेगा बनाने में, बहुत resources लगेंगे बनाने में.
I think कि थोड़ा सा maybe thoughts मेरा different है. What I think is उनको टाइम ही नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से. The big artists are all into Bollywood. मतलब for me the independent artists, मतलब I am not talking about them, but who have grown famous from the films, मतलब फिल्म के गाने, they don't even get time I guess कि they write their own music, या फिर क्योंकि वो सिस्टम ही ऐसा हो गया कि someone else writes lyrics, someone else composes it, someone else produces it, someone else sings it. वो एक कल्चर बन गया I guess.
And over that, if you're doing this and if you're in Bombay and trying to, you know, work the scene over there, then it's there's so many factors that get involved that you get positioned as, you know, like a wheel in a big machine, and then you have to just do your generation. You lose things. But there are such great albums out there. One of my favorite album is I think Bon Iver by Bon Iver. Oh, or is it another album? It's about Emily, about Emma. Bon Iver, about Emma. This is an album he recorded on a single instrument in a cabin in winters out in the snow, and he locked himself inside a cabin with his production setup and a broken banjo sort of guitar, and that's the entire album. So it's possible. It's
Yes.
possible to do these things, and there is also a part where you need to let yourself go into certain emotions and have the time to do that also, because you cannot be jazbati all throughout, man. Like फिर what about roti ka bada makan, bro? जज्बात
नहीं, ये सब जज्बातों से नहीं करना चाहिए.
So how is it working out for you, and how are things happening to you, like that you're based in Raipur? Have you always been in Raipur, and how is your life here as an artist, and how are you navigating through this life in Raipur and being on the journey of Pranjal, the artist that you're creating?
Well, it's a very long story, I would say, first of all. And this would take another, interview or 1 hour just to go through everything. But in short, I mean, it all started with me, with a push, some friend of mine pushed me into stage, ki chal na gana. So I was like, let's do it. What I used to do was कि मैं diary में I used to write lyrics, just like I said, right? I used to watch in VH1, listen to the music and write the lyrics out of it. So that someone came and saw, that led to this journey, I would say, the music journey. फिर I went to shows. Someone heard me from my family member. Someone introduced me to the VIP club. तो वहाँ से I started my live journey. तो and that played a bigger role because I was studying, कि I was in school, and I have to balance these two things. Music is my passion, but I have to make money. That was again a different story because my family again is not so financially stable and all that. So I'm not wholly into music right now. Actually, the journey still continues. What I'm doing is these past 5 years, since 2020, since COVID came, right? I was in not a good phase. I was very depressed, or it stopped my music journey. मतलब I am sitting right here after 5 years singing songs, and really it's 2026 that I restarted after 2020, because that the many personal things happened in that phase. But again, life is life. I wanted to accept it. I wanted to move on. So these 5 years I didn't do it, but I have been active since 2015, like I said, doing live shows, and I've started doing again. But I want to make it my first job. It's not wholly defines Pranjal. So I am an engineer by the day, but an artist all the time. So that's what my motto is, and that's how my journey goes.
I really wanted to get to know this thing about, because I feel this is one of the most inspiring thing for people out there, because I know that our town has so much inclinations around these things. I see people, we are not just about partying or just like spending our time. There are people who are genuine thinkers, who
Yeah.
want to spend time productively, who want to who seek something more out there in life, just from the bare things. So it's all a journey for, like, it's everybody's trying to navigate it in a certain
Yes.
way, and it's always inspiring to, or just you get some more courage to hear it from the other person. Ki, "Acha, how's he doing it, or how's she doing it?" So now that you've started again,
Yeah.
buy album, bro. I think like take this as something ki we'll be putting this out. So and we really hope that this year is starting for all of us. It's just the February. एक quarter अभी हुआ भी नहीं है, एक quarter भी नहीं हुआ है. तो this year maybe we get to something, and
You will definitely get something because it's in the pipeline, and I have been. So 2026 is actually a good year for me. like many artists also have been in contact with me. I'm making their songs too. So simultaneously, I'm getting time to make my own. So, it definitely is coming in 2026. Definitely, I can say.
And we wish you all the best, and you will be here
Thank
to one of the first people to hear it. And
We actually heard, yes, the first songs, the starter pack.
yeah, and I think all the people out there who are watching it, I feel we heard Pranjal's songs and we got to know his stories from it. So now that we know him, we'll be looking out for more stuff from him. And on a closing note, I you said that you don't have lyrics to certain songs,
Yes.
but you do have some melodies or something. Would you like to close it with that, just humming something for us?
वो तो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, but I can just, again, come out of a new tune maybe.
Because I want
Right
this
now.
to be originals. I want this to be just Pranjal's originals.
Like I'll just play anything and it just comes to my mind. Ki,
Yeah. You can hum.
this came out of nowhere, like really. Now this I gotta record.
Oh, we have it recorded. We'll
Oh,
share
yes.
that with you.
Thank you.
And on that note, thanks a lot for
Thank
doing
you
this.
so
We
much.
were also experimenting, all of us out here. And I think now let's go upstairs. We'll
Yes.
listen to some other tracks. This was
Yes.
just Pranjal,
So excited.
his original work. And this is JT108 with Pranjal at Sabr today on 23rd of February 2026. It's 6:51 and 41 seconds, 45, 46, 47, and cut. I don't think this is needed. We'll do an end clap with it. Alright. We're good to go.
Right. I'm Pranjal and I have a different taste, mostly a different taste from the mainstream audience. So I'll just like to start with a song called Mausam. मेट्रो मूवी जो आई थी अभी, इसके 2-3 वर्जन्स थे मूवी में, एंड दिस इज़ फ्रॉम अरिजीत, बट अ डिफरेंट वर्जन, एंड आई मिक्स अ पेपॉन वर्जन टू, सो हियर इट. तुम आँख मूंद के पी जाओ जिंदगी के सर कि एक घूंट में मुमकिन है बदमजा ना लगे, जो डूबना है तो इतने सुकून से डूबो कि आस पास की लहरों को भी पता न लगे, ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे तुम्हें बुलाने में, मुझे ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे तुम्हें बुलाने में, मुझे ज़माना लगे. This is how Arjit sang. तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे, मैं एक शाम चुरा लूं अगर बुरा ना लगे। तुम्हारे बस में अगर हो तो भूल जाओ हमें, तुम्हें भुलाने में शायद मुझे ज़माना लगे। What is this? What Papon sang? तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे, मैं एक शाम चुरा लूं अगर बुरा ना लगे। तुम्हारे बस में अगर हो तो भूल जाओ हमें, तुम्हें भुलाने में शायद मुझे ज़माना लगे। ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे, तुम्हें भुलाने में मुझे ज़माना लगे। ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे, तुम्हें भुलाने में मुझे ज़माना लगे। Another song from the same movie, which again, both of them sing. दिल जला के मुस्कुराने की जो आदत हुई है मुझे, लग रहा है कायदे से अब मोहब्बत हुई है मुझे। दिल जला के मुस्कुराने की जो आदत हुई है मुझे, लग रहा है कायदे से अब मोहब्बत हुई है मुझे। मेरी तुम्हीं से है जवाबदारी, नाराज़गी भी ढेर सारी, तुम्हीं से है कोई भी, तुम्हीं तो जाओ पहले से भी और प्यारी। अब ये बाहें हुई है मुझे, लग रहा है कायदे से अब मोहब्बत हुई है मुझे। If you have heard a movie called Aloo Chaat, this song is from that. देखो जरा कितना हंसी है फिर यूं समा है ना, जी ले जरा एक पल मिला जो तन्हाई का है ना, फिर हंसना हंसाना कुछ कह के यूं शर्माना, कुछ बातें यूं ही आंखों से ही कर जाना। अच्छा लगता है ये चेहरा तकते जाना, अब आज हो गए हो तो ना फिर जाना। यही दुआ यूं ही सदा तेरे लिए धड़के जिया, धड़के जिया। ये रास्ता गुम होगा ये डर तुम्हें है ना, मैं आस कहीं हूँ इतना यकीन तो है ना। पीछे पीछे आना, मुझे तन्हाई में तेरा एक लम्हा दे जाना। शायद ये लम्हा भी फिर खुदा ने तेरे मेरे मिलने का सोचा है बहाना। यही दुआ यूं ही सदा वो तेरे लिए धड़के जिया, धड़के जिया, धड़के जिया। धड़के जिया।
Damn, bro. That was really good.
Thank you. This song everyone knows, everyone loves. It's a general cliche for the bands, and everyone, I guess, loves Atif Aslam. वैसे जिंदा हूँ मैं जिंदगी बिन तेरे में, दर्द ही दर्द बाकी रहा है सीने में। सांस लेना भर ही यहाँ जीना नहीं है। अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में, जुदा होके भी तू मुझ में कहीं बाकी है। पलकों में बन के आंसू तू चली आती है, जुदा होके भी अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में। हे ओ, नो, ये जो यादें हैं सभी काटे हैं, कटा दो इन्हें, मिटा दो इन्हें। देना दिग तुम दादा, देना दिग तुम दादा, देना दिग 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 तुम दिग तुम दिग 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 तुम। कैसी रातें वो बरसातें, वो भीगी भीगी यादें, वो भीगी भीगी यादें। ना मैं जानूं ना तू जाने, कैसा है ये मौसम कहाँ से फिजाई
संग लाई, खफा हो गए हम, जुदा हो गए हम। वो लम्हे, वो बातें कोई ना जाने, थी कैसी रातें ओ बरसातें, वो भीगी भीगी यादें, वो भीगी भीगी यादें। सागर की गहराई से गहरा है अपना प्यार, सहराओं की इन हवाओं में कैसे आएगी बात, कहाँ से हटा छाई, गमों की रूप संग लाई, खफा हो गए हम, जुदा हो गए हम। वो लम्हे, वो बातें कोई ना जाने, थी कैसी रातें वो बरसातें, वो भीगी भीगी यादें, वो भीगी भीगी यादें। I don't have a taste in Hindi, just Hindi, but I have a taste for English too. And my favorites, some of the favorites are Justin Bieber, Bruno Mars, Ed Sheeran. But I always love to play Ed Sheeran. And this song especially, I don't know if people have heard this enough. Maybe I came on too strong, maybe I waited too long, maybe I played my cards wrong, oh, just a little bit wrong. Baby, I apologize for it. I could fall, I could fly, here in your aeroplane. I could live, I could die, hanging on the words you say. I've been known to give my all, jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the lake. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. Don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you, before I dive right into you. This was the first song which I heard from Bruno Mars. Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are, the way Girl, you're amazing, just the way you. I guess this will be my last song. I guess I'll like to take you to a different era where Himesh Reshamya was a big hit. आपकी कशिश सरफरोश है, आपका नशा यूं मदहोश है, क्या कहे तुमसे जाने जा, गुम हुआ होश है, गुम हुआ होश है, आपकी कशिश सरफरोश है, आपका नशा यूं मदहोश है, क्या कहे तुमसे जाने जा, जाने जा जाने जाने जाना, गुम हुआ होश है, होश है, गुम हुआ होश है, डूबा रहूं सदा तेरे ख्यालों में, उलझा रहूं सदा तेरे सवालों में, तेरे बिना कहीं अब ना करार है, जाने मन तुझे पे तो जाबिले सारे है, जाना ये मैंने जाना, तू मेरा दीवाना, ना मेरी खता ना मेरा दोष है, आपका नशा यूं मदहोश है, क्या करे तुमसे जाने जा, गुम हुआ होश है, होश है, गुम हुआ होश है. Thank you. This was Pranjal Chawda signing off. Thank you so much for listening.
So,
Can I just say it was amazing?
Thank you so much.
I don't know.
Really thanks for inviting me, guys. I mean, means a lot.
Pranjal, I'd like you to do one thing,
Yeah.
which is please give us
I would love this.
an autograph on this.
Oh my god. I thought you'd say just clap this for me.
Ha, and then clap it. And then clap it at the end. Let's go.
Damn. My first autograph. Not my first though.
Alright, guys. This is Pranjal with JD108 at Sabri here in Raipur. And it's perfect time. Touching हो गया.
अब मुझे सुनना है मेरे फ़ोन में कैसा आया है. And I started singing and I realized that I am also very melodious.
It's still rolling, right? So guys, this is JD108 with Pranjal here at Sabr. This is 23rd of February 2026. Finally इतनी बार मैंने ये बोल दिया कि अब मैं fluently बोल सकता हूँ. And Pranjal signing off. This is the closing of today's session with Pranjal here at Sabr. And Pranjal, please give the end clap to this camera.
Cut.
And that one.
You also do that for me.
Alright guys, bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. अगर मैं मेंटली डिरेंज्ड रही तो अच्छा नहीं होगा आपके लिए.
से ही थी हम तरफ अब खुला है आसमां चल पड़ो मैं जाऊं चले वो सारी रात प्यार था वक्त नहीं जो बीत गया तू बन के याद रहे फरियाद रहेगा में क्यों अब एक लफ्ज़ नहीं दिल कहने की आदत सोचा तुम्हें जो रात जो ना मिला मुझे जो ना मिला मुझे दिल को क्या बताऊंगा दिल को क्या बताऊंगा जो ना मिला मुझे जो ना मिला मुझे दिल को क्या बताऊंगा दिल को क्या बताऊंगा